This is Chinese fried sauce with noodles, or Jia Jiang Mien in Mandarin. This is a delicious, simple Chinese ground pork meat sauce with salty and sweet flavors. It is a noodle dish with layers of complex flavors. This is how to make it. Start off by cutting cucumbers and carrots into thin strips. You can also use a vegetable peeler to do this. These carrots and cucumbers, as well as the other ingredients in this recipe, helps offset the saltiness of this dish's main sauce ingredient called tien, but more about that later. When finished, keep the carrots and cucumbers inside the refrigerator to keep cool and crisp. Chop up some spring onions, reserve the bottom half, which will be used to flavor cooking oil, while the greens are used for garnish and extra flavor. Mince up some fresh ginger, which is also used to flavor the oil. Dice up one medium-sized yellow onion. Pork and onions are the ultimate culinary combination. So this is tien. It is made from wheat flour, salt, and sugar. It is more salty than it is sweet, which is why we need to dilute with water. Mix it well until fully incorporated. And then add some soybean paste, which adds an extra depth of umami to the sauce. This is 400 grams of ground pork. This pork meat has 30% fat. You can use beef, lamb, or chicken. For the vegetarians, tofu and mushrooms is perfect for this, and it's all prepared exactly the same way. On medium heat, add 3 tablespoons oil when the pan is hot. Then add minced ginger and bottom half of spring onions. Mix and stir constantly for a minute to prevent burning. Then switch the heat to high-medium and add the ground pork, breaking it up into small bits. Then leave it alone for a minute or two on one side of the pork and let it brown. Afterwards, flip and brown the other side as well. When most of it are browned, add the sauce, Shaoxing cooking wine, and chicken seasoning powder. And then mix well. The sauce should be a gentle simmer. If you overheat the sauce, it will reduce into a thick paste. If that happens, add a little bit of water to loosen it up. About a minute later, add the diced onions to the sauce. Lower the heat to a low-medium and simmer the sauce for 4 to 5 minutes. You can also taste the sauce. If the sauce is too bitter or salty, you can always add a little bit of sugar to sweeten it up. This sauce keeps very well in the refrigerator and freezer. Just reheat and add it to your favorite noodles. Meanwhile, blanch some bean sprouts. You can use the same water to cook the noodles. I'm using wheat noodles, which needs to be boiled for a few minutes. You can use any noodles you wish. Spaghetti and ramen noodles are fair game. Just follow the packaged cooking instructions. Too much sauce will overpower the noodles, though you can add as many bean sprouts, carrots, and cucumbers as you want. And finish it off with a generous amount of chopped spring onions. And here you are, Chinese Jia Jiang Mien Homestyle.
Check it out, my Jia Jiang Mien. Wow, it's an awesome bowl. Amazing sauce, awesome. I'm out of words. Just try this. This is awesome. You should make this at home. But remember, I do make deliveries. I take Bitcoins and Camels as payment. See you guys next time.